Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw this figure in AutoCAD. Okay, I'm going to start with creating a circle, C, enter, with the radius of 6.25. Then I'm going to create line, 1, 2, connecting the quadrants. Then I'm going to create arcs or circle again at this midpoint. Okay, I'm going to trim first. Okay, I'm going to use another command, which is line, to create this. Then I'm going to create another circle, by the way, at this center point. Okay. And then I'm going to create a line here. 4 lines. Enter. A line here. All right. Now I'm going to copy this using array. Array. Polar. I'm going to create 4 copies. Item number is 4. Done. Then inside, I'm going to create another circle here. And then square inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to trim the rest. Trim this one. Okay, I think that's it. We're done with our drawing. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.